Let's get into the inside details now that we are picking up when it comes to the TMC, because already on two occasions, whether be it the leader of the opposition stands and now when it comes to the deputy speaker and the speaker's nomination that has now been done on part of the Congress party, TMC has said that it is a unilateral decision and it did not like it and would like to be consulted before the Congress and the other parties arrive to such a decision. On the scoop that now we are getting to know exactly why is the TMC upset. Well, Rahul Gandhi, we are told, Nyamika, not only he had a word or he dialed Mamata Banerjee, also had a word with Abhishek Banerjee as well.
Absolutely. As yesterday there was a meeting which was being called by Mallikarjun Kharge of the floor leaders of the India bloc parties to discuss about the strategy for the speaker election, and it is being told to us by the sources that Rahul Gandhi had dialed the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to discuss about this entire matter, as in fact they were also seeking the support of the TMC, because clearly we have seen that how the TMC had clarified that no consultation was being done by the Congress party's side before the filing the nomination of Mr. K. Suresh for the speaker's position, and that was the only reason why they were quite upset over this entire matter. Not just Mamata Banerjee, but in fact Rahul Gandhi had also spoken to Mr. Abhishek Banerjee within the parliament as well, and then only it was being decided by the TMC's side that they will send their representative in the India bloc meeting, and that was the only reason why Mr. Derek O'Brien and Mr. Kalyan Banerjee was being present there at 10 Rajaji Marg. However, the stance of TMC is still unclear. They have promised the Congress party that they will think about it and they will clarify about their own stand by 9:30 a.m. today. But on the other side, we have also got to know from the TMC sources that it might be possible that they will support the opposition candidate only, because if they will not do so, then the Congress party will question the TMC that they had supported the BJP and that they do not want, and that's the only reason why they are expected to support Mr. K. Suresh in this speaker election. However, they just wanted to give a message to the Congress party that it was not right on their own, on their part, that they had filed the nomination of Mr. K. Suresh before they held up, and the TMC was quite upset over this entire matter.
All right, so that's the point that is now being raised as far as in an attempt to placate TMC, their leaders Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee, as far as them raising the issue, saying that why weren't they consulted as even being part of the India alliance. However, there seems to be a larger message that the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi wants to give out, especially when it comes to their positioning now that they have the required numbers to actually form a vocal and an active voice in the opposition. Let's break another angle there. The Congress party is now mocking the government on YSRCP speculations amid the claims that YSRCP will be voting in favor of the NDA candidate. Congress party is now claiming that it is the CBI or the central agencies, Ankit, that is now forcing YSRCP to support the NDA.
So this is Manikam Tagore doing this, Amita. Two tweets from him. First on the YSRCP, he has shared a screenshot of a report that claims that the YSRCP is likely to support Om Birla for speaker. And he says whenever CBI wants, it can, and he leaves the rest of it hanging. And he's alluding to the various legal problems that YS Jagan Mohan Reddy and his party have had. Remember, they've not shown themselves for the last 5 years while the party was in power. But before that, Jagan Mohan Reddy has been even in jail for a spell of over a year. On the other hand, Manikam Tagore also has a tip for the TDP and the JDU. He says, will the TDP and JDU MPs vote with their conscience in the speaker election today? An 8-term MP and a Dalit leader from South India after Balayogi Garu, this humble man deserves our support. Vote for K. Sureshji. Stand for social justice. So the Congress clearly thinks that it can appeal to the conscience of the JDU as well as the TDP, if not the BJP.
All right, Ankit, thank you for that. That is how, as far as garnering support is concerned for the NDA candidate, additional support that is likely to come in from the YSRCP. Nyamika, now how do we understand? All right, in the meantime, as we are waiting for the elections that will be taking today, this is going to be a rare occurrence after decades that we are witnessing such kind of a situation. Of course, there have been multiple political reactions that have been coming in from both ends.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.